Katie, your skin looks like it's glowing.
It's all thanks to my Morning Glory body powder. This is a natural body powder that helps dry me off after a shower and makes me smell pretty good too. To make this recipe, you're gonna open up your Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box, find your recipe card and labels. And from our monthly box, we're going to be using kaolin clay, zinc oxide, this adorable little body powder puff, along with patchouli, clary sage, and citrus burst essential oils.
And from your home, you are going to grab cornstarch. And from your big bonus box, almond oil.
If you don't have cornstarch, you can replace it with arrowroot powder. It's a great substitution as well.
Let's get to making it. All right, so let's start adding our ingredients. So the first ingredient I'm gonna put in is 1 tablespoon of kaolin clay.
And I'll be adding a teaspoon of zinc oxide.
And don't forget your 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
All right, now we're gonna set this aside and mix our oils together.
Now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of almond oil.
We're gonna add 1 drop of patchouli, 2 drops of citrus burst, and 1 drop of clary sage.
Now we're gonna wanna stir those essential oils and the carrier oil together to make sure it's evenly distributed. And we'll add the oil mixture to the powder mixture. And we'll wanna stir this up really good, so make sure everything is evenly distributed. And don't forget your label.
To use it, we're gonna grab our body powder puff and put it in here. You only need a very little bit, otherwise you're gonna look like a ghost. And then after you shower, you would apply a little bit to your arms, and you'll probably wanna blend it in a little bit. So you can see that you really only need a little bit, and you can rub it in a bit, and it's gonna help dry your skin. This is great if you have oily skin. If you have a tendency towards dry skin, follow up with Simply Earth's lotion base. You can even add the same essential oils we used in this recipe to complement its aroma. For more great recipes like this one, go to simplyearth.com/box.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe now button. You'll love this recipe and it's super fun to make.
You're gonna smell amazing.
Thanks for watching. Hey Katie, your skin looks like it's glowing.
It's all thanks to my Morning Glory powder puff. Morning Glory body powder.